Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q5 side mirror. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a T20 Torx driver and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure you have the new Audi Q5 side mirror assembly ready. It's also helpful to have a clean cloth and a small container for any screws you remove during the process. Having everything organized makes the job much smoother. Now let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel trim piece, usually near the mirror base. Next, you will find 3 T20 Torx screws holding the mirror in place. Unscrew these. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror functions. This will free the old mirror assembly from the door. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. First, securely connect the new mirror's electrical harness to the vehicle's wiring. Then, carefully align the new mirror assembly with the mounting points on the door. Once aligned, fasten the 3 T20 Torx screws firmly into place, ensuring the mirror is stable and secure against the door frame. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim piece, ensuring it snaps back into position. Before finishing, test all functions of your new mirror, including power adjustment and heating, to confirm everything works correctly. Finally, double-check that the mirror is securely mounted and stable, completing your Audi Q5 side mirror replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.